Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice, iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler with silver and black accents on this vehicle, blind spot detection with a nice remote start, which is perfect for those cold winter months, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with the powered liftgate, if I can get it to work. Apparently the key fob doesn't want to, but you just press that button or on the key fob, and you do get plenty of cargo space. You get a hook and a 12-volt. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, with more storage underneath with your spare tire. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior, adjustable rear seats with rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 73,681 kilometers. We got this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get a digital speedometer. We have My View, chip and feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, cup holders right there, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, more storage here with some outlets. You can get a 12-volt there. You got that center console, tons of storage. We have dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You got your hazards, media controls, storage below, and we do get audio, compass, phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8114, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.